welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'll be making hand sanitizer bottles. First, you'll need to peel the label off of the hand sanitizer bottles. So let's go ahead and get that done. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into our measurements. You do not need your measurements to be too big, too small. You need to be just right. So to be right in the middle, perfect. So our measurements was width 2 and height 3.2. Now we're going to do the satisfying part. The satisfying part, and when you pull the front of the label off. I know you guys will be able to make these sanitizer bottles. If I can do it, you can do it. Look how I just pulled that thing off, but it sure was still satisfying. That thing came off like it was finna fly. As you can see, I am done putting the labels off the front. So let's go and get to the next part. Now I am moving to design space. I have uploaded my design. Let's go ahead and put our measurements in. Let's go and get started. Let's go ahead and start printing the labels for the hand sanitizer bottles. It's almost done. Now we're finna go ahead and take it out and get it to the Cricut. This is how they both came out. I like this part. This is the satisfying part. Now let's go ahead and get in the cutting part. But right now it's scanning. Then it's gonna cut. It is almost done scanning. Now we're finna get to the cutting. Hey y'all, thank you for watching my video. We are just getting to the good part. This is the part when it starts cutting. All done cutting. Now let's go ahead and start putting on the hand sanitizer bottles. As you can see, it's already printed out. Now we are ready to put it on the sanitizer bottles. Let's go and get started. I really love this sticker paper. We've been using it for years now, even including for our cookies we've been making. My mom will put the link in the description below. Now we're finna take the sticker off of the paper, and then we're gonna put it on a hand sanitizer bottle. Making sure it's right in the middle. Do not make sure it's on the side. You need to be in the middle, and you'll see that the measurements was just right when I show you. That looks exactly how it's supposed to look. So pretty. Here is the final result of my project. This was so marvelous. I couldn't wait to do these. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your support. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Bye! Also, be sure to check out and support our brand new Etsy shop. I'll put the link in the description below.